वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Good evening friends and welcome to Tarang. All of you are well aware that Sri Ganesh Chaturthi is on 22nd August. So as of now it's COVID time and most of us will try to keep it in celebrate it in a small scale. So we actually get afraid to buy something from outside from the market. So there's something brought up by cycle brand, that cycle agarbatti. So they have brought a kit of Sampoorna Ganesh Puja kit. So I have seen this in the internet and I have purchased this one. So this will actually help you. I'll just show what's there in this kit. So friends, this is the inside you can see what's there in this kit. So this kit also provides you the design of how you need to install all the puja articles here with the numbering. You can see the numbering. Okay, see the numbering over there, and also the same numbering has been done on the puja articles. Like for example, this is Haridra. Haridra is 1. So where we need to place Haridra, we have to check in this. See here. Here is Haridra. Okay, next is Kumkum. 2. Second is Kumkum. So when you place the Ganesh, you place when you are installing Ganesh ji, this is the way you can actually check it and you can install the same. See here they have given 2 diyas. Here you can see diya. So here there are 2 diyas, 15 and 16. So I'll just show you what are there in this kit. So friends, you can see the contents in the kit. There is Haridra, Kumkum, Akshat, Chandan tablets, Vastra, Yagnopavita, Karpur, Karpura Arati, cycle agarbattis, agarbatti holder, Samrani holder, Samrani, Pitha for puja bell. Puja bell, you should not keep it down, so they have given a Pitha for puja bell. Then Diya, there are 2 diyas. Pitha for Lord Varasiddhi Vinayaka. Lord Varasiddhi Vinayaka idol. The idol is made of clay. Kalasha, Panchapatra, Uddharna, Arghya Patra and Pugifala. So if you can see the whole this kit contains everything. So just you need to bring some flowers and fruits and some Naivedya. So this actually costs 599. I got a discount of 10 rupees. So it has come in 589. So I've got everything. Now I have to just purchase some betel nut, betel leaves and fruits, some Naivedyam, and I think some flowers and durva and etc. So they have also mentioned that, if I'll focus it, see you can see devotees are expected to arrange puja samagri 23, 24 and 25. So clearly they have mentioned what the devotees have to bring it from outside, and other things, everything is in this kit. So another useful thing which you can check here is you can see this QR code. This QR code you should scan it and you can see the live puja on 22nd August at 7:30 AM. So you can see the live puja and also simultaneously do the puja with these articles. So you can see these are cute things. See, very small and cute things. You can see this. Now I'll just show. Okay, one thing is that Ganesha is Ganesh idol is small. It's 8.5 centimeter. I'll just show the idol. In this box, Ganesh idol is there. I'll not open the box. It's made of clay. This is how Ganesh idol looks. because we'll do puja to this Ganesh, so I am not opening the box. It's 8.5 centimeter and it's small, but it's made of clay, so it's naturally made. So this will actually help you out. It's like a kit. This is not a promotional video, but I like this kit because everything is available here. You can see Vastram, Chandan tablets, Akshata, Kumkuma. This is the Aarti holder, and you have everything. You can see here. This is the spoon. So everything is available here in this kit. That's so you can see the bell also. You can see the bell. Okay, there's a plate over here. This is the Arghya Patra. So everything is available. That's why I have purchased this, and also they have mentioned a very good map over here. So I'll show the diya here. The diya, you can see the diyas. There's actually ghee or wax. I think this is ghee or wax. This is made of, so you need not put oil also in the diya. This is a matka diya. So very good kit, that's why I like it. So I'm just posting it in my YouTube channel such that this can help you all out and in easing the process and reducing the shopping for Ganesh festival, and it will ease your work, and also you can do the Ganesh festival, you can celebrate the Ganesh festival with grand pomp. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. If you have liked this video, kindly share it, kindly subscribe it, and kindly like it. There's a bell icon which you can actually click it and you can get the updates. Thank you friends. Jai Ganesha. Just to add, I have purchased that from Cycle store. I mean Cycle online store. So you can also, I'll just mark the link in my comment section. You can also purchase it, and you can also check it. And I got it in 2 days. So it's shipped from Bangalore. So Bangalore to Hyderabad, it took 2 days, and it was shipped properly. So you can also check it.